The Canon 1K makes quick work of installing branch circuits, data cables, fiber optic cables, and large pull ropes. With an impressive pull speed of up to 130 feet per minute, the built-in handle allows users to easily maintain control of the unit and is adjustable for both left and right-handed users. A quick-release connector arm reduces setup time, and the included slotted pulling head has an adjustable conduit clamp, allowing the user to secure the unit directly on the edge of the conduit or panel while pulling for added stability. The articulating wedge arm is perfect for overhead applications. The removable capstand end plate makes taking the rope, mule tape, or string off after a pull simple. Just loosen the set screws holding the plate on, then remove it and slide the rope off the capstand. Lanyards on the stainless steel pins ensure no parts are lost in between pulls. Guaranteed by our industry-leading 6-year warranty and made in the USA. The Canon 1K by iTOOLco.